Welcome back, everyone. If you could please like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. So in this video today, we are going to talk about the Humble A-Clamp. Now this is some very basic gear that you can get at the hardware store, usually for less than $3. I think these little baby ones might even be less than 50 cents. Of course, with the supply chain nowadays, who knows, they could be 79. I'm sure they will still be affordable. So these little tiny ones, these are great for styling. You can use them to clip your subject's clothes into place. Usually if their shirt was too loose, I would go behind them and sort of grasp the fabric together and clip this on there, and that will give you sort of some instant tailoring. That's what I'm always using these for. These ones, these 2-inch versions, they are fantastic. You can use these to stop a backdrop from rolling when you've got it onto the background stand. You can use it as a counterweight on your backdrop rack so that everything stays nice and taut. You can use it to sort of hook, I put this on my camera stand and then hook cables off of it. It's really sort of, the options are endless with this one. I've also even used it as a doorstop. I've clipped it onto the door at my client's warehouse so that when I went through it and the door closed, this kept the lock from engaging. You can also use this 3-inch version as well, and it can be used for much larger jobs, but really I don't use these very often. I'm almost always using the 2-inch variety or the tiny ones. Anyway, guys, I hope that all made sense. If you have any questions or comments, just leave it below. And as always, stay safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.